What if you could unlock Grok's most powerful features completely free for 3 days? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to claim the official Super Grok trial step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you have an account on Grok is fully integrated inside X, so this is required. Step 1. Open Grok. Open the X app or go to x.com. Tap on the Grok icon from the menu to enter the AI chat. Step 2. Find Super Grok Upgrade inside Grok. Look for Upgrade banner, try Super Grok option. Tap it to open the subscription page. Step 3. Activate free trial. Select the 3-day free trial. You'll need to enter your payment details. Don't worry, you won't be charged if you cancel on time. Step 4. Start using Super Grok. Once activated, you get access to higher rate limits, better AI responses, image generation, advanced features. Use this time to test everything. Step 5. Set a reminder. Very important. Set a reminder before 3 days end. If you don't want to pay, cancel before the trial expires. Use the trial wisely. Test advanced features, compare with free version, decide if it's worth it. And that's it. Now you know how to get Grok AI free for 3 days using the official Super Grok trial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.